The design of this card is pretty much exactly what I asked for. If you need to add more metal to the heatsink, just make the card longer instead of making it thicker. So this card is not thicker than 2 PCIe slots and is 11 inches long. It has 3 fans with an air pass-through cutout, which helps reduce temperatures a lot while keeping the card nice and quiet. The card never goes above 60 degrees Celsius and even stays closer to 50 degrees in most games. Performance-wise, the 9060 XT is quite a game changer. You can easily run any game at 1440p with maxed out graphics settings and enjoy a smooth 60 FPS in any game. And it isn't just good at rasterization, it's the perfect entry card for ray tracing without sacrificing performance. Cyberpunk 2077 runs incredibly well at around 50 FPS with ray tracing enabled at 1440p with ultra quality settings and FSR enabled. Not only is the 9060 XT superb for 1440p ray tracing, it also has 2 more goodies, FSR 4 and AMD's new media encoder. FSR 4 is a huge leap in visual clarity because it's AI-based, unlike AMD's older upscaling tech, which means almost no difference in quality from native resolution with extra performance. Combined with AMD's latest media engine, this is sure to become a popular card for professional creatives and especially game streamers. No more blocky streams from now on. In terms of competition, the 9060 XT 16GB stays neck and neck against the RTX 5060 Ti 16GB. No matter what game you play, both of these GPUs are going to be nearly identical. Sometimes the 5060 Ti wins, sometimes the 9060 XT wins, but both with very slim margins. The biggest advantage of the 9060 XT is that it's massively available at or close to the manufacturer's suggested price, which is something that cannot be said for the 5060 Ti. The RTX 5060 Ti is consistently more expensive than the 9060 XT. If you are considering the 5060 Ti because you think that Nvidia's implementation of certain features, like real-time ray tracing, AI-based upscaling, and video encoding are better, the good news is that AMD has seriously caught up, and this should really worry Nvidia. Although I have been praising this card non-stop, I do think that there's no such thing as a perfect GPU. I think Gigabyte could have made a shorter card, which would have made this 9060 XT even more accessible for smaller cases. And the other thing of note is that although AMD has improved a lot on their features that are not only limited to gaming, Nvidia is still the better choice if you need a reliable card not only for gaming, but for work as well. The AI capabilities of the 5060 Ti are immense and are on the same level as the RTX 4080. At the end of the day, if you need a rock-solid card for gaming with a massive 16GB VRAM that's friendly on the wallet, then the Gigabyte Gaming RX 9060 XT is the clear choice. At its current price, it's the best value being offered by any new graphics card right now. To sum up, what I like is the incredible 1440p performance even with ray tracing, the quiet and cool operation, the AI-based upscaling with FSR 4, and the massively improved media encoder for 4K editing and streaming. On the downside, it still lags behind Nvidia in AI and productivity apps. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can check prices in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos.